Breaking news coming in now after the Jammu and Kashmir administration sought the help of the army in restoring the electricity after major parts of the Union territory were reeling under power crisis. The Congress has slammed this decision and has termed the decision of the army like an emergency-like situation, further demanding the electricity and water bills be waived off.
जिस तरीके से जम्मू पूरा अंधकार में ही हो गया है और सरकार का फैसला आर्मी उतारने का, उससे ये लगता है कि आपातकाल जैसी स्थितियां बन गई हैं। हम इस फैसले का खंडन करते हैं और सरकार के इस गलत फैसले के खिलाफ है। और हम सरकार से ये अपील भी करना चाहते हैं कि जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग पावर को लेकर जो प्राइवेटाइजेशन की जा रही है उसके खिलाफ हैं। अलबत्ता जम्मू कश्मीर के लोग ये चाहते हैं कि उनको दिल्ली की तर्ज पर 300 यूनिट जो है वो मुफ्त बिजली दी जाए और पानी का किराया जो है वो माफ किया जाए, क्योंकि पिछले कई दशकों से हम आतंकवाद झेल रहे हैं और जम्मू के लोग जो हैं वो अब असमर्थ हैं इस तरह के चार्जेस देने को। हमारी मांग है कि जिस तरीके से आपने वादे किए जम्मू कश्मीर के लोगों के साथ और आज आपने ये फैसला जो आर्मी उतारने का किया है, हम बिल्कुल इसके खिलाफ हैं और हम चाहते हैं कि जिस तरीके से पीडीडी के लोग विरोध प्रदर्शन कर रहे हैं उनकी जेन्युइन मांग को मान लिया जाए और इस मसले को जल्द से जल्द खत्म किया जाए और जम्मू को अंधकार से बाहर निकाला जाए।
My colleague Gursimran joins us on the broadcast. Gursimran, why are the Power Department employees protesting at this point of time? What are their demands and the support from the Congress right now?
See, there are four main issues for which they are demanding, and main issues are that they are against the alleged privatization of the department, the power distributed department's distribution wing, which is one of the earning wing of the department. Apart from that, they are also demanding that their salaries should be streamlined as they are not getting salaries well in the time. Apart from that, regularization is one of the issues for which they are hitting the roads, and there has been strike for 2 days, which has led to entire Jammu and Kashmir into the darkness. 45% in Jammu region is under darkness, and now the Indian Army too has been called in by the administration. But the main thing is that now the Congress has said that this seems that the emergency has come once again. That's why the army has been called in. And we have seen various quarters opposing this move of the Jammu and Kashmir government, that despite senior officers going on ground and after 2 rounds of failed talks, why is not some of the senior officials from the PD department, they are themselves taking the charge, and why the police and the administrative officials, they are being pushed for the negotiations. So we are on to the day 3rd when the PDD employees are on strike, and the Jammu and Kashmir government is somewhat facing the wrath of the people. The people are saying that it's a high time government should redress the concern of the PD employees so that this strike comes to an end, because the people are at the suffering end. It's almost 3 to 4 degrees even in the Jammu district, and in the upper reaches it's really very cold, and during that the absence of electricity is making it really very difficult for the people to make the ends meet.
Well, the winters have set in Jammu and Kashmir, and without electricity, the people are the worst to suffer. Thank you so much for joining us on the broadcast, Gursimran.